If you're thinking about the performance of your BI and analytics team, and you're thinking about, are they underperforming? Do you need to replace them? Or, what can you do to make them truly successful in your business? There's really three things you need to think about. The first one is, do they actually have the data and the tool set available to them to be successful? And if not, fix that first. Get your credit card out, buy the tools you need, and just get them on their way. And quite frankly, if they haven't asked you for them, I'd still put a question mark over the team. But anyway, so tools first, data, access to the data they need, and away we go. If you've got that sorted and nailed, the second question, I think really the fundamental issue with when you look at great BI teams is, are they commercially minded? Do they really understand the business that they're in? And if they don't, if all they're doing is creating metrics and analytic content in response and reacting to the business, then that's the time you've got to think about replacing them. Because if they're not commercially minded, they can never really add value. All they're doing is delivering you numbers, they're not delivering you insight. And it's people that create insight. And sort of as a sort of adjunct to that, and this is where it's your responsibility to help your BI team to be successful, is you've got to give them the business context for the data that you're requesting. If you're asking for net new revenue, explain to them why you need it, explain why it's important, help them to understand the business so that they can be successful. And so think about it this way, if you're hiring new data analysts, if you're hiring people to add to your BI team, first question you should ask is, tell me about the last business you're in, what made that business successful, and how did analytics play a role in that? And that's how you'll find great data analysts.